70% of children in orphanages have parents. You know, but their parents are not here. They're working somewhere outside. Can you imagine that child developing in an orphanage? You know, usually orphanages are for kids that don't have parents. So it's in that respect, it's a very negative mid-term, long-term cultural aspect.
General migration. If we have 6 and 3 million people in Kyrgyzstan, the 501 parts left to other countries, and mostly 90% in Russia, and in official 1 million in Russia they work. More than 70% youth, you know.
Yeah.
And from this 70% of youth, more than 50% is they don't have education. This is the main problem of the future of Kyrgyzstan.
Yeah.
The horror, I would like to give you a book, Shirda.
Thank you.
I think 1 year live here. This Shirda, the 12 corporate, the Kyrgyz 12 corporate. And this book was published in order to increase the awareness of the general public about the intangible cultural heritage of Kyrgyz people. So you know this, it's dedicated to the Kyrgyz artisans and holders of the ancient knowledge and skills. And I would like to show one thing that the public fund initiated the nomination process of Kyrgyz culture and arts in UNESCO. In 2012, Kyrgyzstan nomination was supported by other countries as the heritage culture of Kyrgyz people and all humanity. And if you want to just look at the book, if you find something, if you want to get your own Kyrgyz felt carpet, just let me know and I will find it.
Thank you so much.
This is not only good, this is our reach.
Thank you.